this is my new poppet. I also have a teal one as well, but I like this one way more than the teal one because, yeah. Okay, so I'm going to show you the teal one in a minute. Okay, so I was thinking about doing this thing. I don't have a marble. I don't think I have a marble. Yes, I do have them. Right, I'm going to drop this in randomly, and what number it lands on is the number of likes that you've got to get on this video. And if we get that amount of likes on this video, I will do a Roblox giveaway. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. We have to try get 19 or more likes on this video. If we get over 19 likes, I will do a Roblox giveaway. Let's try this on here. If we get a low amount of likes, we'll do that amount of likes. But yeah, this is my teal one. I would rate this one an 8.5 or 9 out of 10. Definitely not a 10. But yeah, let's just poke all these holes and then if we get 19 likes or oh my goodness. If we get 19 likes or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. If we get 19 likes, I'll give away 4 common pets. If we get, I forgot what number this is, hang on. If we get 28 likes, I'll give away 4 ultra rares on Adopt Me or on whatever game that you like. So yeah, like this video.